Welcome and welcome back. I'm BK, and we got our first customer. Well, not really, because it's for family, so it's free, but still, it's an opportunity to have the AfterEarth Arcade automotive experience. As some of you might know, one of our goals is to own the OK Tire Shop in Winnemucca, and we have an opportunity here to work on something. You see this old beat up truck behind us? To reiterate, this truck is not we're not doing anything visual or cosmetic on the truck. Our primary goal is to get it running so it can start hauling wood and moving stuff on the ground. I don't know, whatever they want to do with it. So what we're gonna do is kind of assess it, look it over, figure out what a game plan, and then over the next few days, I'm gonna come up with a game plan. It's, I already can see we're gonna have some electrical problems. Oh, these things are pretty cool. Look how nice this is. It's got this kind of like paneling thing. From my understanding, it used to be a lariat. Used to be, but I guess it is. Nice, looks like we got some parts for it already. This is a really big problem with this truck though. I haven't started it, I haven't really gotten into it, but I already see one glaring issue. It's an automatic! Where'd the pedal go? What's wrong? It's missing a pedal! Fancy, it comes with a key for the glove box. Look at that. Oh, we got some electrical relay in there. All right, so I'm gonna pop the hood. Let's figure out what engine this has and kind of go from there. I can already tell this thing is high tech for its time. It has these like little hinges. These are really cool, these springs. It's I don't know why we use hydraulic shocks anymore to lift cars. Like these springs are probably gonna last forever. Oh, that's not great. We can see that from the valve cover gasket we're leaking. Okay, so we've got Ford electronic fuel injection, intake plenum. It's a V something. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's a V8 something. I think it's so cool how these stickers are still intact. That's awesome. This is a sick color too. I really like this color. It's like a brownish. It's Kona. It's not quite Kona. It's like a in between the chestnut and Kona color. It's really cool. Yeah, this thing's gonna be a nightmare. Look at all the electrical stuff that's just broken. Look at this. What is this? On a lot of Japanese cars, I've mainly worked on Japanese cars, the VIN is across the back here, stamped into the body frame, and I don't see it, so we're gonna look for the VIN and then we're gonna pull it so we can get all the information on it and then go from there. Okay, we've already learned quite a bit. So this is the first redesign since 1965, and they call it a bullnose. All right, so we have a 5.0 302 Windsor. Something pretty cool about this Windsor engine is it uses a speed density system in order to calculate the fuel. So what that means is it uses manifold, absolute pressure, and air temperature from the air intake sensor to calculate how much fuel we're going to be delivering to the engine at any given time. That's actually really cool. That makes this is going to make this pretty easy to switch over to the Speeduino. So you've got like all of this wiring is just messed up. So what we're gonna do is kind of like work our way backwards from that when we get there. But for now, we're just assessing the vehicle, just figure out more about it so we can understand. So now that we know how the EFI functions, I feel like we should figure out where the manifold air pressure sensor are and the air intake temperature sensor are. And then we should be able to test those to see if they're working, and then kind of work our way back to the distributor and all the other electrical components. If we have all of the systems online that should start the car, then we will likely not have to worry much more about the electrical. From there, we can start figuring out mechanically what's wrong with it, and then we'll work on the suspension components. I think that's kind of the best strategy, because this car won't start unless it has the right electrical stuff, and it's not going to keep going if the engine's busted, and it won't haul anything if there's no suspension. So that's kind of my order of operation. The first thing we're going to do is purchase the Haynes repair manual for this truck, and also get some oil and an oil filter. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. Hopefully you're excited about this new build. Over this next month, we're just going to keep grinding on this. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.